Hi and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a bit of a different kind of video, as I'll be doing a little review on my newest bike, which you see before me, which is a Rondo Ruut steel bike, a gravel bike. As you can see, I think the fat tires are a bit of a giveaway. It's my very first gravel bike. I'm fashionable as I am, 5 years after the fact, or 7 or 10, I don't know. I'm finally turning into graveling. So as you can see, the name here says Rondo, and Rondo is in fact a Polish brand, and this is the Rondo, I'm not sure if you can read it from here, Rondo Ruut ST stands for steel. And his name is Szymon Kobylinski, I believe, and he used to be in a Polish rock band. And the story that I read was pretty cool. He would occasionally ride his bike to and from gigs, and yeah, it was a very much a bike enthusiast. And yeah, I kind of like smaller brands, though they could be huge in Poland, I don't know. But I particularly like the color and the setup of the bike, which, as you can probably tell, is a OneBy. It is a SRAM Apex. And it's my very first OneBy and my very first SRAM setup. Now a few little things about the bike and the way I got it. I initially opted for a Rondo, an Aluminium version, which I ordered or pre-ordered in, I think, back in January. But as you all know, getting a bike is very difficult this year. And yeah, so the guys at the shop at Bike Superior, sort of a local shop, 100k away, they gave me a deal on this one, and yeah, I'm happy I did. I did 3 rides so far, and I really love it. I thought about getting steel instead of aluminium, but yeah, there's 1 or 2 things. Let me show you. That's the cable routing. As you can see, it's got all exterior cable routing, which is a little less aesthetic, but it is of course super practical. And as I intend to use this bike mainly on holidays and obviously on some gravel riding, that makes total sense. So that's cool. The other thing, small worry I had, was the OneBy system, as I have no experience with that whatsoever. But I have to say, so far so good. I'm a bit spoiled, of course, with my Di2 setup on my road bike, but yeah, works like a charm. And one very nice detail, I think, is this little, I'm not sure if you can see it, rubber band here on the hub, and it's there to sort of make sure that the hub stays clean in the field, which is necessary, because today, after yesterday's ride, I really had to clean the cogs here. And as you can see, there is loads and loads and loads of tire clearance here. It is set to go up to 57 millimeters on 650B wheels, so that's huge. These are 14 now, so they should be fine for me for the longest time. One little thing though, the wheels are not tubeless ready, and the tires are not. So I'd have to go ahead and install an extra ribbon and buy some new tires. I thought 2021, that should come standard. So that's a bit of a thingy. But actually this system here means that you can actually move it a little bit to increase the height, I think, to get an even more comfortable position. And there's a plethora of mounting points everywhere. So I could put on a mud guard and what have you, so that should be absolutely fine. I only had a few little things. This saddle, as comfortable as this, it bends inwards, you know, that suggests lots of comfort, but it was very slippery. It was very slippery, this saddle. Seems to go a bit better now, but I think for longer tours I'll definitely put on a different saddle. But yeah, that's a personal preference anyway, so no worries. And the tires, they held their own on yesterday's ride pretty well. I was going on pretty rough terrain, No worries. So my take after 1 week of riding is that the riding is very smooth, and I really can get up to speed at 30 kph, no problem whatsoever. Once you're on the move, it is like riding a road bike. So I was really pleased with that and surprised as well. So my conclusion after 1 week of riding is a very positive one, and please keep posted, as I'll be posting a few gravel rides shortly. For now, I'm off, so enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. See ya, bye.